want a simple animation, but none of the built-in implicit animation widgets do the trick? TweenAnimationBuilder is here for all your custom animation needs without having to worry about that pesky animation controller. Using TweenAnimationBuilder is easy. Set the length of time that you want your animation to run with the duration parameter. Then add your builder method to draw the widget you'll be animating. The type of that second parameter is dependent on what in your widget you'll be animating. In this case, it holds whatever color value we want to apply to our color filter. Lastly, specify the values that you want to animate between using the tween parameter. The type of your tween should match the type of the second parameter in your builder and the class type parameter if you specified it. Now you've got a working custom implicit animation. If you want to modify the way you animate from one value to another, you can set the curve parameter. Add the onEnd parameter to be notified when the animation completes. You could even use it to set a new value and animate again. Lastly, as a performance optimization, you can pass in a child parameter so that Flutter doesn't need to rebuild the entire widget tree during the animation. For more on TweenAnimationBuilder and all the other Flutter widgets, head over to flutter.dev.